Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to write this expression in the exponential form. So let's break this expression into parts. So total number of c's is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c, which can be written in the exponential form as c raised to the power 5, because there are in total 5 c's have been multiplied, so the index will be equals 5. Similarly, for the case of k, there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 k's, so k multiplied by k 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will be equals k whole raised to the power 6. Okay, therefore the original expression given to us was 24 multiplied by c 5 times and multiplied by k 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that's correct. So it will become 24 multiplied by c raised to the power 5 multiplied by k raised to the power 6. So ultimately we will have 24 c raised to the power 5 k raised to the power 6 as the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.